Welcome to the Cloaked Traderke. On this platform, I document my journey towards being a consistently profitable trader. So in the morning, I had posted GBPCHF trade I took. Technically, this trade has won, but the the prop firms swelled all the pips until it has not closed. Look, it closed by almost 12 pips, which technically I would expect that the trade closed, and those are some of the challenges that you have to be cognizant of when you're trading with prop firms, because now their spread is 2. Looking here, the spread is 2, but the trade closed by 13 pips. Given that there are no news, it's a bit concerning. I don't know the spike. I don't know why the spike or the swelling of the spreads, because at 3:30, where is the news? Okay, yeah, it's understandable. That was an overlook on my side. There's an employment claim, so that is expected to swell the spreads. But I believe that still go back to at least cross by some pips here. So I still expect the price to come down here. So I'm not going to close the trade. I'm waiting for the price to go back. Let's watch and see if the price will be able to come back. But in the process, we're going to protect this position. So I'm not expecting the price to come back to this side. If it comes back, then I'll be out of the market. If it were not for the unemployment claim, I'll be out of. Actually, it was a mistake on my side. I did not actually, which is a very serious problem. I did not really document the news today, and I mainly document when I know that the pair that I'm trading is being affected by those kind of news. But this is not always the case. So I'll just be managing this position. So I'll bring the stop loss here because I'm expecting it to not pull back given the time. So the spread is how many pips? 3, about 3. So if the price gets here, then I'm expecting the position to close in 1 to 2.4. Yes. So when the price reaches on this line, I'll expect the position to close. But either way, if it goes back where my stop loss is, I'll have taken almost 1 to 1.5 or 1 to 1.8. Yeah. Remember, we had placed also a pending order on Audi JPY. It wasn't triggered. The price just went up to my TP without being triggered. Well, that's not a problem. Now, when the price comes back, I'll be making decision on whether that pending order should remain there or think of removing it. But for now, let it just be there. But I'll be watching up on my trading view. I have a notification just around here, so that when the price is close, I'll make a decision on whether I should retain that position there. So in the meantime, we keep on watching this trade and see if it's going to reverse or go back to my stop loss, which is already protected in profit. So if you're a new, actually a new, more of a learning trader, more of a beginner trader, or intermediate who is also in the journey of being consistently profitable, I would recommend you subscribe, share. Let's be part of this journey. Previously, I haven't been documenting, but I've decided to document so that at least I can track my journey and have some form of accountability on my side. So I have email on my description. You can send an email. Let's communicate. Let's share some of the challenges you're facing as traders. What you think? What do you think will have been done better? So here on TradingView, you can see on Oanda, which is the broker that I'm using to analyze the charts, price has reached here, but you see now, being a sell, the price has to cross my TP by at least 3 pips or 2 depending on the spread before it's triggered. So that's what I have to patiently wait. Either way, the trade is a profit. It's a profitable one. It's closed in profit because if it were not for the unemployment claims, then the trade would have closed in profit. So I'm patiently, once I've protected that position, so I'll be looking for other position to take. Now that this one's closed, I normally put a limit on the number of losses I can take in a row. So today I haven't taken a loss yet. And remember, I'm working on removing the account into drawdown. Before I started the document, I was randomly trading, so I was having huge drawdown. But I'm so patient, even if it takes a month to take out of it, I'm risking very little on this account to ensure that I can take the account out of the drawdown. So I'll keep on posting and sharing the trades before and after. So for now, bye bye. Share, subscribe, and comment.